It's a back-breaking job out at sea. People have been eating fish for 40,000 years. Of course, processing can be done something like this too. But there's a more convenient way. In Germany alone, around 13 kilograms of fish are consumed per person per year, and that wouldn't be possible without cutting-edge processing methods. This is the specialty of the BAADER Maschinenbau Group, active in more than 100 countries worldwide, a global player, headquarters Lübeck. And it's here that machines for fish and poultry processing are produced to the highest possible quality. A company with a history going back more than 100 years, and which has been working with HEDELIUS from Meppen for a good 10 years now. We realized we would have to modernize all our CNC machines in 2012. We then looked for a supplier who was also interested in working together with us as partners and could approach the subject on an equal footing. And that's how we found HEDELIUS. This is the first HEDELIUS machine we got in 2012. For a start, we were modernizing. That means we again had reliable production and that the machines run and function. That's guaranteed with HEDELIUS. We've made a technological leap. We can use modern tools. A lot has happened there as well. And clamping technology has also moved on with the zero-point clamping system. Over the next 10 years, the partnership expanded. In both the 5- and 3-axis range, BAADER needs flexible programming and production methods. To date, there are 8 HEDELIUS machines at BAADER. Of course, all painted in BAADER blue. This is the Forte 65. For us, this was the modernization of our 3-axis machines. We were looking for something with a large tool magazine that could be loaded quickly. We have enough space on the machine for 2 vices and a clamping pallet next to them. Ultimately, the 3-axis milling machines are the update to conventional milling machines. They make production both economical and flexible. 650 people work at BAADER in Lübeck, and communication with HEDELIUS Meppen is very smooth. Whenever we bought a machine, we also ordered training sessions. Our machine operators were always trained at HEDELIUS in Meppen before the machine was delivered, so that the commissioning went quickly. And HEDELIUS delivered all 8 machines on time, so they were always ready when we needed them. That worked out very well. This is our latest machine from HEDELIUS, a Tiltenter 9. It's also our biggest machine from HEDELIUS. We have a 900mm rotary table. Next to that, we have a large fixed table. And of course, you can also machine something lengthwise over the whole length of the machine, which is 3600mm. Thanks to these 8 machines, we again have up-to-date CNC machining. We have reliable machines with little downtime. We've become quite a bit more competitive, and the percentage of parts in our machines that were processed on HEDELIUS machines is enormous. So it's fair to say that HEDELIUS makes up quite a large part of our machines. I'm very pleased that we can celebrate this together today. 10 years of partnership between BAADER and HEDELIUS. In a partnership, you always discover more about yourself. Then you develop together and generate a sense of trust and security, which is increasingly important in today's world. We say thank you very much. BAADER and HEDELIUS, a partnership fit for the future.